So as you know that what is rusting, how it is prevented, what is rust. So as I told you, there is a corrosion, that means this eating away of metal article can take place in case of many metals, and there are many factors which just lead to the corrosion of different metals. One question which I would like to discuss with you, and you often get in the paper, it is that there is a chromium metal, there is a silver metal, and there is an iron metal, right? And again here is an aluminium metal, and we have zinc. The question what do you get is that to just write the products which are formed by the corrosion of these three, and what is the chemical formula for the layer which is formed on their surface, and what is actually the color of that layer, and under which gas the corrosion take place. I am just repeating the question again. What they are asking? They are asking for the molecular formula of the layer which get deposited as a result of corrosion, 1 point. Second, they are asking for the color of the layer which gets formed. Third, they are asking that like in the presence of which gas that leads to the corrosion to occur. And so this is how just I am going to answer, and this is an important question. You know that copper gets corroded, but it gets corroded in the presence of which gas? Carbon dioxide gas. And what is the formula for that molecular compound that is formed? That is CuCO3 dot CuOH whole twice. So this is actually the formula, CuCO3 that dot CuOH whole twice. And what is the color for this layer? It is green in color. So when copper gets corroded, it gets corroded in the atmosphere of carbon dioxide. What kind of layer it is formed? Obviously a green color layer is formed. And what is that layer chemically? It is CuCO3 dot CuOH whole twice. And secondly, we talk for silver. Silver gets corroded in the presence of hydrogen sulfide gas, right? And what layer is deposited, and what is the formula for it? The black colored layer gets deposited on the silver. You may see, like if you buy you can say an anklet or something of iron, and if you keep using it, or if you keep it in the drawer and you take out after a few months, what you get to see that it turns black in color. What that black color is due to the corrosion of the silver article in the presence of hydrogen sulfide which is present or in the air. That means whether it is present in traces, but still the corrosion take place. What is the formula for this layer, that black layer that gets deposited on silver? That is Ag2S, silver sulfide. And in case of iron, we already did, it occurs in presence of moisture, and the color is rust color, and the formula is Fe2O3 dot XH2O. And aluminium and zinc, when we talk about, so they are actually self-protecting metals. That means when they come in contact with oxygen, they obviously form their oxides, but their oxides are actually impermeable to the gases. That means the upper layer gets, you can say the surface gets corroded, but the underlying zinc or aluminium remains protected, because that layer do not allow the oxygen gas to pass into it. So therefore no kind of corrosion take place. So they are actually self-protecting metals. So this question is very important, and you may get it for 3 marks. See, it is so simple question and you get it for 3 marks. So just you need to have a check on the colors of the the layers which are formed, and also on the molecular formulas which are involved, like the formula for the, you can say, the layer that is formed. So this is what is the corrosion, and this is what is the rusting, and what is the, you can say, why aluminium and zinc are called as self-protecting metals, and what are the layers which are formed on copper, silver, and this thing. So this is very important. Just have a view over it, and it is very important to answer and very easy to learn as well.